All right, let's talk force field for a moment. So first thing we did was we just went up to our sprites. We made a force field. Under edit sprite, notice when I was editing it, I dropped the opacity down, and that's why you can see through the force field. So obviously we created an object called force field, and I'll show you some of that code in here. So if we open him up, first of all, create. I needed to doctor around how big it was, so I just changed the image X scale and Y scale a little bit, and then I set this alarm for 5 seconds. So what I did after the 5 seconds is I just destroyed it. Now you don't have to do this specifically the same way, but I said every time you spawn a force field, it's only going to last for 5 seconds, then it'll destroy. Your step function is also pretty easy. So all I really did was take the X value of the force field and tell it to track object underscore players.x, and take the Y value of the force field and tell it to track object underscore players.y. So unlike Game Salad, we didn't have to use an intermediary there. We just went straight to the source using dot notation. And last but not least, if I go into the player, we'll see that in the step function there, we've added a couple things down here at the bottom. And I guess I could have said this is what spawns force field. So if keyboard check pressed, I used, Izzy helped me with the ordinance, and I use ordinate key F. So that means if you press the F key, it'll create a force field. That force field should last 5 seconds, disappear. And that's all for this video. Thanks.